Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm working on a John Deere L111. The PTO pulley, the one that drives the deck and the drive belt, is seized on the engine crankshaft. What I want to show you today is a quick tip to bypass removing the pulley if you need to replace the drive belt. It's a quick tip that you can just basically do in 5 minutes to save you hours of work trying to unseize a pulley. Okay, here I am underneath the machine here. This is the pulley I'm talking about. I need to replace the drive belt because it's in bad shape. But the pulley's seized on the engine crankshaft. Instead of fighting with this pulley for an hour or more, what I will do, and this is the simple trick I'm showing you today, is loosen the two bolts over here. They're a 9/16 head. They're actually the engine bolts. And then what's going to happen is the guard around the drive pulley here will be loosened enough for me to just remove the belt, put the new one back on without removing the pulley. So I'm just going to remove the one bolt, and that will be enough to move the pulley here out of the way, get the belt out. It's kind of hard here. I'm filming with one hand, and I've just got one hand here to do this. Okay, so now the belt's off, and you can just reinstall your new belt, retighten this back up with the bolt, and you saved hours of work trying to unseize a pulley. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Please comment below, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.